The following message is transmitted at the request of the Flush City County Emergency Management Agency. At 1:32 p.m. Flushington Standard Time, an extremely dangerous individual, which is unnamed at this time. This individual has caused severe storms, which the Storm Prediction Center has issued a Day 1 high risk and a Day 2 moderate risk for severe storms. These severe storms will cause damage in this area. Also, a tornado watch remains in effect for these areas. Stay tuned for further updates. And if you see this individual, call 911 immediately.
City, look in the mirror and I'm like, so hot, so smart, so pretty, mentally in a gunfight.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mikesburg Emergency Management Agency. At 7:49 p.m. Flushington Standard Time, an extremely dangerous individual, which is unnamed, and caused destruction in Mikesburg. The individual's name is Hunter Wilson, also known as Hunter Error. Hunter Error is extremely dangerous. He also spawns severe thunderstorms. Hunter Error may spawn tornadoes, damaging winds and large hail. He is extremely dangerous. If you
Get back here! If you don't pass a foreign language, you are never going to graduate!
This is an Amber Alert. The Wakefield Robloxia State Police Department is looking for Emily Jessica Matthews, a 16-year-old white female, weighing 136 pounds and 5'10", born on June 7, 2010, missing at 306 Roblox Street at 1:26 a.m. Monday morning. The suspect's name is Hunter Wilson, also known as Hunter Error. Hunter Error is extremely dangerous. If you see this individual, call 911 immediately.
You're listening to the NOAA Weather All Hazards Radio, WMG 109. WMG 109 serves the Mikesburg area and lakes. This program is provided by the National Weather Service. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mikesburg Emergency Management Agency. At 7:24 p.m., people have reported Hunter Error being very dangerous. Severe weather still have been reported at this location. At 7:27 p.m., Flushington State Emergency Management have reported 80+ miles per hour wind gusts and a few brief tornadoes. Extensive roof and window damage have been reported. Hunter Error is extremely powerful. At this point, Hunter Error is unstoppable and dangerous. If you see him, call 911 immediately.
is transmitted at the request of the Mikesburg Emergency Management Agency. At 10:06 p.m. Flushington Standard Time, an extremely dangerous situation is occurring in Mikesburg. Hunter error is causing extreme destruction in the national emergency area. Hunter error is extremely unstoppable and dangerous. Do not be calm. Go to full panic mode. Being calm won't help and stop this situation. He is extremely dangerous. This world is going to end. Please don't be calm. Stay for possible updates.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mikesburg Emergency Management Agency. At 4:06 a.m. Mikesburg Emergency Management had reported that hunter error has left the area, therefore the national emergency has been cancelled.